Australian bushfires to get worse as strong winds and high temperatures create catastrophic conditions. Strong winds and soaring temperatures have created catastrophic conditions in Australia where firefighters are battling more than 100 bushfires. One person was found dead inside a fire zone near Adelaide in South Australia on Saturday, 2 days after two volunteer firefighters were killed by a falling tree in the country's most populous state of New South Wales, NSW. Around 3 million hectares (7.4 million acres) of land has burned across the country during a harsh bushfire season which has killed 9 people and destroyed more than 800 homes. Prime Minister Scott Morrison was forced to apologize for going on a family holiday to Hawaii during the crisis. He said he would cut his holiday short and was expected to return to Sydney on Saturday. Fires in NSW were set to worsen as temperatures in western Sydney were forecast to hit 47 Celsius (115 F) on Saturday, while winds of up to 56 miles per hour (90 kilometers per hour) were set to fan the flames before leading to a temperature drop in the evening. Catastrophic fire conditions are as bad as it gets, NSW Rural Fire Services Commissioner Shane Fitzsimmons said. They are the very worst of conditions. Given we have a landscape with so much active fire burning, you have a recipe for very serious concern and a very dangerous day.